Today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the AFK journey, no jailbreak or computer needed. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if you play AFK journey and you're poor, keep watching the video and I'll show you guys how to download this onto your device. So it's super insane, guys. It totally works. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, but be sure to go ahead and try this out because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I will see you guys in another video and peace out. Guys, as you can see in the AFK journey, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device, no jailbreak, so let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we're going to go to the Hex Mods. This is the website where we can do this. So once we're on this site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and just type in AFK. As you can see, this is AFK journey, so just press on it and press the download button and you're good. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yes, it's super insane, guys. I've already downloaded the modded version, so I'm not going to download it again. But this is awesome, bro. So if you go to the search bar and just type in AFK Journey, you guys can see how expensive it is. So let me just type it in right here. So I'm just going to do AFK. Bro, I can't spell. Here it is, AFK Journey. So as you can see, guys, when we go to in-app purchases, what the hell, bro? Nah, bro. So I'm not paying for this stuff, so be sure to try this out for yourself because it fully works. So yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is go to this Hex Mod site. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It totally updated, everything like that. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe because this is super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it and had fun. As you can see, AFK Journey comes right up. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is wild, bro. Look how much money I got. So yeah, this is super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself just so more people know about the method. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This actually works pretty well. And it doesn't require a jailbreak or anything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. Totally updated and all that. So I'll see you guys later. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's super cool, guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.